Have you ever wondered why data analysis and predictive modeling are so crucial in today's world? Well, imagine having a crystal ball that could provide insights into the future. That's the power of data analysis and predictive modeling. They allow businesses, governments, and individuals to make informed decisions based on patterns, trends, and predictions from the data. Consider the story of a renowned retail company, X, that faced a significant drop in sales. The management was perplexed as their products were top-notch and their marketing strategies were robust. The company decided to turn to data analysis and predictive modeling to understand the issue and find a solution. Let's take a deeper look into the world of data analysis and predictive modeling. This journey begins with the simplest aspects, where statistics and probability theories laid the foundation for the birth of data analysis in its most basic form. It's fascinating to understand that the genesis of systematic data analysis can be traced back as far as the 18th century. During this period, the tools may have been simple, but they were remarkably effective in handling relatively smaller data sets. The advent of this era was followed by the next wave of change that swept across the world in the mid-20th century, the introduction of computers. This single transformation revolutionized the sphere of data analysis and predictive modeling, propelling it to new heights. The transition from manual computations and rudimentary tools to complex programs and digital platforms marked a significant shift in the course of data analysis. As we reflect upon the past, we see how the development and evolution of different techniques and tools have been truly transformational. A shift from manual calculations, physical graphs and charts, to sophisticated algorithms and digital visualizations, the journey has been a remarkable one. One of the key milestones this journey has been the development of machine learning and artificial intelligence. These advancements have introduced a new dimension to predictive modeling, making it not only more precise, but also highly efficient. It's awe-inspiring to note the influence and impact of these advancements on data analysis and predictive modeling. The ability to handle and analyze larger data sets and the evolution of more powerful computing capabilities have revolutionized the way we approach data analysis. The availability of such technology and resources has had a drastic effect on the speed and ease at which we can now analyze, interpret, and predict outcomes based on data. This historical perspective paints a vivid picture of the evolution and progress in the field of data analysis and predictive modeling, demonstrating how far we've come. It gives us an opportunity to appreciate the strides made in the field and anticipate the future that are yet to come. So hold on to your seats as we delve into the techniques of data analysis in our next scene. The journey promises to be an insightful one. As the voice behind the screen, let me take you through the labyrinth of data analysis. There are several techniques used in this field, each having its unique purpose and significance. First, we have descriptive analysis. Think of it as a mirror reflecting the past. It helps us understand what has happened. For instance, it can show how the sales of company X have evolved over the years, or how customer feedback has changed. Next in line is diagnostic analysis. It's like a detective, helping us understand why something happened. Did a particular marketing strategy work? Was there a sudden surge in sales during a specific period? Diagnostic analysis helps answer these questions. Then comes predictive analysis, our crystal ball. It uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. This is where predictive modeling steps in, forecasting potential future sales trends based on past data. Finally, we have prescriptive analysis. This is your guide, suggesting actions based on the analysis. Should company X launch a new product? Should they invest more in marketing? Prescriptive analysis provides insights into these decisions. These techniques are not independent, but interconnected, each paving the way for the next. They help in understanding the data, making sense of the past and present, and predicting and shaping the future. And that's how informed decisions are made. So, join us as we dive into the journey of data collection and cleaning in our next scene, where we'll see these techniques in action. As the voice behind the screen, let me guide you to the next stage of our journey. Now we'll delve into the fundamentals of data analysis. We're dealing with three prime data kinds: numerical, categorical, and ordinal. Numerical data is quantitative measurable. Think numbers, sales figures, ages, or temperatures. Categorical data is qualitative, representing traits such as color, gender, or brand. Lastly, ordinal data is a blend of the two. It can be sorted, but it follows a distinct sequence. Think of customer satisfaction ratings or levels of education. Stepping forward, we encounter the realm of data structures, featuring univariate, bivariate, and multivariate formats. Univariate structure focuses on a single variable, bivariate on two, and multivariate on more than two. These formats allow us to comprehend the interrelation between different variables and their mutual influence. Lastly, before we part, let's delve into data sources. We divide them into two fundamental types, primary and secondary. Primary data is unique, collected a specific objective, such as customer surveys or interviews. Secondary data is pre-existing, gathered for other purposes, like online databases or government documents. Mastering fundamental concepts is crucially significant for efficient data analysis. They establish the groundwork of data analysis and predictive modeling. They're the bricks and mortar, the foundation stones, a data analyst's world. With this understanding, you are now to dive into the process of data collection and purification, a vital step in our shared journey of data analysis. Finally, let's talk about data sources. There are two types, primary and secondary. Primary data is original data collected for a specific purpose, like customer surveys or interviews. Secondary data is already existing data collected for another purpose, like online databases or government reports. Understanding these concepts is crucial for effective data analysis. They form the building blocks of data analysis and predictive modeling. Now you're ready to embark on the journey of data collection and cleaning, which we will explore in our next scene. The first step in their journey was collecting data. They gathered information from various sources, including their sales records, customer feedback, market trends, and even social media comments. This data was raw and unstructured, and making sense of it seemed like finding a needle in a haystack. But with the power of data analysis, they started cleaning and organizing this data. They removed irrelevant information, filled in missing values, and categorized the data into understandable groups. This process of data cleaning and pre-processing is vital to ensure accurate and reliable results. Let's explore some popular data analysis techniques in detail. First, we delve into data mining. It's a technique akin to treasure hunting, where the bounty is valuable information ensconced in colossal datasets. Businesses utilize this technique to mine crucial insights from numerous sources, such as sales data, consumer feedback, and market patterns. It uncovers previously obscured patterns and connections. Next in line is machine learning, an incredibly potent tool that employs algorithms to learn from data. It makes predictions or decisions without needing to be explicitly programmed. This technique enables businesses to scrutinize social media conversations, foretell customer sentiment, akin to a digital crystal ball forecasting the future. Lastly, we can't ignore artificial intelligence. It's a broader concept involving systems that replicate human intelligence. These systems learn from experiences, comprehend complex issues, engage in natural dialogues, and untangle complicated problems. Businesses employ AI to classify their data, streamlining the data cleaning process. These techniques revolutionize data analysis, metamorphosing raw, unstructured data into valuable insights and predictions. They are the unsung heroes, catalyzing data analysis and predictive modeling. They are not just tools, they are game changers, turning raw, unstructured data into valuable insights and predictions. They are the heroes behind the scenes, making data analysis and predictive modeling possible. Predictive modeling also involves several techniques, each with its own unique approach and application. Let's delve deeper into these methods. First on the list is regression analysis. This technique is used when the outcome we want to predict is continuous. For example, predicting future sales, which can range from 0 to potentially very large numbers. They used this method to predict future sales based on the patterns they had identified in their sales records. Secondly, we have classification. This technique is used when the outcome is categorical. For example, predicting whether a customer will like or dislike a product. In their case, they classified social media comments into positive and negative categories, helping them understand their customer sentiment better. Lastly, we have time series analysis. This technique is used when we want to predict future values based on past data. It's particularly useful when dealing with data that changes over time, like sales trends. The company used this method to forecast the impact of improving delivery times on their sales and customer satisfaction. These techniques help in predicting future outcomes based on the data. They're like different tools in a toolbox, each used for a specific task, but all working together to build a comprehensive predictive model. Now let's delve into the world of predictive modeling. It's a complex process that starts with splitting our data into two parts: training and testing data. The training data helps us build the model, while testing data tests its efficiency. This process resembles studying for an exam. Studying the material equates to the training data and testing your knowledge with sample questions as testing data. However, we need to avoid overfitting, a scenario where our model is too tailored to the training data, performing poorly on unseen data. We also need to steer clear of underfitting, which occurs when our model is too general, leading to poor performance even on the training data. To evaluate our model, we use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Each has its unique value in assessing the model's performance. These concepts are the bedrock of predictive modeling. Understanding them is crucial to creating a model that can accurately predict future outcomes. Next, they moved on to exploratory data analysis. They analyzed their cleaned data, looking for patterns and correlations. They found that their sales were dropping in certain geographical locations and among specific age groups. They also noticed that negative social media comments were increasing, particularly about their delivery times. Having discovered these insights, the company then turned to predictive modeling. They used algorithms to predict future sales based on the patterns they had identified. They also forecasted the impact of improving delivery times on their sales and customer satisfaction. With all the insights in hand and predictive models ready, you might be wondering what tools were used to accomplish this. There are several tools available for data analysis and predictive modeling, each with their own strengths. Firstly, Excel, a widely familiar tool, is great for basic data analysis. It offers numerous built-in functionalities that can be used to organize, analyze, and visualize data. For more advanced data analysis and predictive modeling, Python is a go-to tool. It is a powerful open-source language that offers libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computation, and scikit-learn for machine learning and predictive modeling. Another popular tool is R, which is used primarily for statistical analysis and predictive modeling. It offers a wide range of statistical techniques and graphical features, making it a favorite among statisticians and data scientists. Finally, for data visualization, Tableau is an excellent tool. It allows users to create interactive dashboards to visually explore data, identify trends, and communicate insights. These tools, Excel, Python, R, and Tableau, equip data analysts and data scientists to analyze the data effectively and create predictive models. These tools, when used correctly, can help businesses make informed decisions and strategize effectively. The company implemented the insights from their predictive models. They focused their marketing efforts on the identified geographical locations and age groups. They also worked on improving their delivery times. Within a year, their sales started to increase, and their social media comments became more positive. While the benefits are compelling, it's important to remember that data analysis and predictive modeling also come with their own set of challenges. First and foremost, the quality of data is crucial. The old saying, garbage in, garbage out, is particularly meaningful here. If the data is inaccurate or unreliable, any conclusions drawn from it will be flawed. Next, we have the issue of data privacy. In this digital age, protecting the privacy of individuals while collecting and analyzing data is a significant concern. And lastly, there is a skill gap. The field of data analysis and predictive modeling requires highly skilled professionals who can handle complex algorithms and statistical models. These challenges, while significant, can be addressed with the right approach and mindset, paving the way for effective and ethical data analysis and predictive modeling. This case study of Company X demonstrates the power of data analysis and predictive modeling. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding the story that the data tells and making informed decisions based on that story. In summary, the importance of data analysis and predictive modeling in today's world cannot be overstated. They help in collecting and cleaning data, conducting exploratory data analysis to find patterns and correlations, and creating predictive models to forecast future trends. These steps empower businesses, governments, and individuals to make data-driven decisions, ultimately leading to better outcomes. Data analysis and predictive modeling are like the crystal ball of the modern world, providing insights into the future and guiding decision-making. So the next time you see a trend or prediction, remember the sophisticated and witty process behind it. Remember the power of data.